Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show a few tips to do if you can't see the WhatsApp notifications on your REALME C53. So at the start, always check that you have deactivated the Do Not Disturb mode. Little values I know, but sometimes you can miss it, so just check that you have this function deactivated. Okay, after that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and choose App Info. Then go to the notifications and turn it on. Remember to go to the additional settings and be sure that you have activated high priority notifications. If not, just turn it on. Sorry. Okay, after that you can also go to the mobile data and Wi-Fi and enable the background data, then select the unrestricted data usage. After that you can go to the settings, choose the network and internet, and tap on the data saver. Now just try to switch it off, but if you want to keep this feature activated, tap on the unrestricted data and make sure again that you have WhatsApp activated. After that you can also try to update your system, so go to the settings, system, and choose the software update. If you have an update, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, you can try to reset your network settings, so go to the reset options and tap on the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on the reset settings, configure pattern, and tap on the reset settings again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.